So how familiar are you with the Mazda CX-30?
Other than it being a Mazda SUV, not at all.
Okay, so the Mazda CX-30 definitely has a bumper-to-bumper coverage. It comes with 36-month, 36K mile coverage, or the 60-month, 60K mile coverage. And for miles per gallon that this car can hold is 22 in the city and 27 on the highway. It has a top rating class in its own as 5 stars, so it protects you and your family. It also has a distant pacing and a new metal steering wheel that's half leather with heated steering. It's something that we all love. It definitely comes in 5 different trims. And before we get started on talking a little bit more about this, can I get your ID, please? Thank you. So earlier I got your name, and it was Mia, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And last name is Swavy.
Mm-hmm.
And the address you had on file was 115 Dubort Lane in Houston, Texas.
Mm-hmm.
And that zip code, just making sure that was 77030, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is your current address, right?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. And what's the good phone number to have for you?
832-407-2283.
And then a good email for you?
My first name, period, last name,
Okay.
at outlook.com.
Okay. That's very unique. I like that. That's very good. So, with the car you're trying to get, are you trying to get a 4-wheel drive, a 2-wheel drive, or an all-wheel drive?
I'm thinking all-wheel drive.
So an all-wheel drive, that's definitely something we can try to look for. But as far as the color, are you looking for a lighter or darker color?
Darker.
So a darker color. We definitely could do that. So is there anything in your current car that you have, or anything in your current car that you do not have that you want in your new car?
Something I'd like to keep is keyless entry. Ideally, I'd like the car to not be gray.
Okay.
And then if there is navigation and heated seats, that's a bonus. You did mention the heated steering wheel, so I can only imagine that you would probably have heated seats.
So we can definitely look for those heated seats. We also can look for the other things you asked for today. I can make sure we get that for you. So then I gotta ask, are you adding or are you replacing a car today?
Replacing.
So you're replacing. So what kind of make and model kind of car you have now?
Yeah, it's a 2016 Mazda 3.
Okay. And how many miles would be on this car? Like a guesstimate.
72,000?
Okay. And are you still making payments on this car?
Yeah.
So would you say how much left would you own this car?
Probably like about 10,000.
About 10,000?
Yeah.
Okay. So then the lien holder currently on the car?
The dealer, so Mazda.
Mazda's the dealer? Alright. And what kind of condition is this car in? It's more like more of a kind of beat up a little bit, more of like average, more of a new, perfect. What kind of condition would you say your car is in?
I'd say it's like new.
Like new?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I got you. So then with the new car you're trying to get, which is the Mazda CX-30, are you thinking about paying this in cash? Are you thinking about leasing or financing?
Financing.
Financing. And are you currently using a financing source?
Yes.
Okay, and then what down payment are you looking to put on this Mazda?
I can probably put up 500 down.
About 500 down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then as far as the monthly budget payment plan that you're looking for, what would you think that would be as far as what you would pay a month?
I'd like to get it between $400 and $500. We can push that a little bit if it's absolutely necessary, but if we can stick in that, that'd be great.
So not exceeding no more than $600.
I'm gonna pretty much hard stop it at 500 unless we absolutely have to.
Okay, I definitely understand. Don't want to pressure you. So, will there be any other decision makers in this process?
No, just me.
Just you?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, I definitely understand. Well, I'm gonna take you outside for a second and definitely show you the different cars, and hopefully find one that you like in the color that you're looking for, and with it all-wheel drive.